What's up, Aquarius? I'm going to spin your wheel on this beautiful Cancer day. Okay, we had the IC up at the first degree of Taurus right here on the 3rd of Virgo. So it's almost this energy came up in the collective reading this morning on the live. And Virgo is all about our health, our routines, what we do all day, our service, our work, what we do, how to help people, our, like I said, daily routines, our organization, our cleaning. And you have on the 3rd degree, which is Gemini energy, which Gemini is about communication, our cars, traveling short distances, technology. It's almost like we're clearing out all of our storage in our phone, or we're clearing out our car. Virgo could be communicating over short articles of clothing, or separate clothing, or storage units, or Aquarius. But we have the descendant at Pisces at the 4th degree, or the 3rd degree, which is this Cancer. Again, Gemini energy, which we're talking about in Pisces. So we're talking about communication from the other side, communications in our dreams. This could be communication from our enemies, things of that nature. Let me know in the comments below if you resonate with this chart reading, Aquarius, and we will get on with the show. Welcome, everybody. My name is Claire B, and you're going to see what's good for you. Right away, I see the Queen of Wands, the 2 of Pentacles in reverse, like we dropped both of these things and now we're untied. I see the 2 of Pentacles and this snaps. Now we're no longer, it's like we're no longer strapped, we're no longer held off. We're open to receiving, we drop these things, and it's as if now we can escape. Our load is light, the grass is greener, we get these, and it's as if we escape. We escape into the Magician. It's almost like poof, be gone. If it's not us, it's somebody else. And this does have to do with it's almost like what we had in the making all this time is poof, gone. All we worked for, poof, gone. And it has something to do with this secret, this Magician. Perhaps you knew it with the 3 of Cups, the 3 of Swords. It's almost like these people are pouring your pain back to you. Perhaps it's a reflection or projection, and this is why the Queen of Wands is crossing the 8 of Cups, the 8 of Pentacles like this. Now behind the Queen of Wands, in the chair of the Queen of Wands, is the Empress holding the baby, and behind the Queen of Wands is the 7 of Cups, this 7, another 7 in reverse, talking about introspection. I see the snake, so perhaps the 7 of Swords is some kind of deception, and then it's leading to some kind of endings. We're pushing a threshold, although this brings some kind of rural sad endings. It pushes us through some kind of threshold, like a birth womb, maybe a birth wound. We're finally seeing something for what it really is. Perhaps we're being celebrated, or perhaps the people are made. The people are made because they don't want us to get what we got, and it's as if we're the Queen of Wands and we ain't stopping. We work very hard to master this, coming all this way. The 8 of Pentacles coming, this 8 of Cups. This is the cups of the Queen, the cup of the Queen of Cups. And this, perhaps this is why she was crossing the 8 of Cups. It's like, okay, well, the 8 of Cups is walking away from something that no longer serves us. Then 8 of Pentacles is being a master. Perhaps we are a master walking away. We're a master at doing this over and over again. And then behind the 8, we have the Ace of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Like it's some kind of lie or miscommunication or missed opportunity when it comes to this new idea, and it creates some kind of loss. It's like we lose both the things. We lose the sword and the pentacle, And this brings us to the Knight of Wands. And there's the Magician. It's as if we finally learn to follow our intuition. You know, we are in the Magician. We are taking this, we are creating this. And again, with the High Priestess is the Sun in reverse. So like I said, we're this Magician. We are really releasing this depression, these scarcity feelings, knowing that no matter, it doesn't matter how. And it reminds me of that reading, I think it was a collective members only reading, like the how doesn't matter. What matters is that it's happening. With the Magician here, we can accomplish anything, stepping into this bravely, really releasing our inner child and accepting this wand. You know, coming into the Knight of Pentacles, we have this new, you know, a new gift, and this is the Chariot. So this is going to move us faster. It's going to get us in the right motion. It's, you know, this is the Chariot and the Knight of Pentacles. We're moving forward out of slowly fast, but a steady motion, winning with this, like, oh, I got this token. It's like the baby in the making, and this is happening. You know, with the Scroll of Wands, it's like you're being offered this cup again, being offered this cup. And there's the Magician again in reverse. So perhaps we do have to be careful who we trust and really use our intuition. Use our intuition. There's some kind of sneak involved. Let's see what the Gold Foil Tarot says for you, Aquarius, and then we will wrap this up. Aquarius. We got the Eight of Pentacles again. The Seven of Pentacles again. We also have the Five of Cups in reverse. So this is telling me that we release this loss, this hurt, this pain. Perhaps we do release it through working. We release the emotion through work. It's like we're becoming a master of this. We're becoming the master of this, and now it's like we're looking at all of the fruits of our labor. These two are in the deep subconscious, and bang. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the Nine of Pentacles, breaking free from the devil. The devil in reverse is us really receiving some kind of truth. Like I said, a truth was exposed. Now we become into this nine. This is abundance, where we're rebuilding up our abundance, our security. You know, knowing that damn well we have it no matter what. As long as we break free from this devil, we're being blessed with the Spirit. It's almost like endless blessings coming from above. And I see the Eight of Swords and the Eight of Wands here. It's like shoot, all of these new ideas, these new thoughts coming in quick, moving us. You know, and perhaps it does look like an unfortunate event, you know, or something's disclosed. But look, as long as we stay in this Five of Cups and Nine of Pentacles, where we accept this, the Spirit comes and we accept this offer, and then we celebrate this, come into this healing, into this newness, and let this happen again too. These both came out the same ways. Can't make this stuff up, y'all. So yeah. Yes, and there's the other Seven of Swords. He's running. So this is in reverse. So we're caught, or at least we're following the trail. It's like we're following the trail to what's right, or we're following the trail to the thief, or we're following the trail to what's missing, to what was taken. And with this Knight of Pentacles, this is slow and steady wins the race. Perhaps you do receive some kind of new job or new duty. Alright, Aquarius, thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. Hope I was able to deal you some hope, and I will see you soon. Love you.